Shri. Happy Tuesday, everyone. Hope you guys had a great New Year's day party. Today is the 2nd of January 2024. I am trying to make a momo today because my beef momo meat is ready with onions and some soy sauce. I'm gonna make like two moktu. My moktus are here, so I'll make two moktu momo for myself, and I will take it to my actual work tomorrow. And let's see the process. And my water is getting ready, as you can see there. The water for the momo soup is getting ready, and my meat is here, and those gonna be here. Okay, so I'm gonna make momo, and we'll show you the process. All right, so let me cut this dough into two parts. Okay, and I'll focus on the dough. Alright?
My dough is ready here. I cut it 2 pieces. And so I'll make the first one. What I'll do is I'll just make a bread circle. Very thin. I'm going to get my roller. I use a big roller. And the small roller, actual roller. The big one and the small one. So I'll use the big one to make the dough flat. Okay. I'm not going to make too much more, just like 2 more tubes. Maybe around like 20, 25 minutes. That'll be cool, right? Yeah. Okay. Alright. Now, make this like, you know, the mushroom roti like very thin. Spread out everywhere. The momo skin is supposed to be very thin, right? That's the taste, right? If the momo skin is thick, so the momo doesn't become tasty. So that's the way, how momo is prepared. Okay? So I'll have to. Alright, so I'll make very thin, spread out roti type. And I'll use this the cup for round making, okay? You can see here. Yeah, so I'll just make it like this. Round it. Momo dough round. So this will continue. Yeah, so spread a little bit so the dough doesn't become hard. Okay. Alright. Alright. So I got like how many I got? Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay? No, I did the leftover. So this process will continue, then I'll show you once I do the real momo.
Alright, so my momo is pretty much done. And this is the last 4 momo left. Alright, so here is the dough, the last dough. Making the last momo. And I'll show you how it's, you know, coming out. So far so good. Not bad. Alright. I'm getting better. Alright. This is the dough. The momo roti. Okay. And my final kima is almost over. Okay. There we go. I think that's about it. You can see the. So I'm gonna make this one. I think the round one better. Okay. Now let's lay the triangle. All right, triangle. I did this one. Okay. There we go. Not very. To put it. Have to put it right somewhere. Yeah. Alright, spread the meat. And this is my last Momo for January 2nd, 2024. There we go. 3 triangle and 1 single, very small, tiny, round. Ciao! I'll show you once the Momo is done, okay? So here's my first smoke too. It's pretty much done, so looks good, right? Delicious. It's very hot. And the second one is almost done here, see? Not bad. Okay. Very, very delicious. Alright, so that's about it for tonight Momo preparation. Hello everyone, happy Tuesday, January 2nd, 2024. Today I made a Momo just to practice, and it was good. So this is my Momo today, came out. It was delicious. The layer was very thin, that's why it's very, very delicious. And I have a handmade chili that I prepared with tomato and a little bit onion too. So I boiled like 2 tomato and crush in the the grinder, and this is very nice. Goes very well with chili, with Momo. Sorry. And this is a soy sauce. It's the alternate soy sauce, not the regular one you get from Chinese store. This is a less sodium salt, so it's very good for health. Bought this one from 99 Ranch, and I'm eating Momo, and it was delicious. Very, very delicious Momo. Let me just take a bite, okay? Here we go. All right. The juice is so good inside. See, it's dripping. I put a little water, a little oil, kima, onion, just like mix. All right, I'm having a great time enjoying Momo myself on January 2nd, 2024. It's a good sign, right? All right, so I'll see you later. Ciao.